The guy isn't.
I'm so broke. Fuck, I gotta get parts. That one's the one that hurt. It's really hard to find.
Should be a little OEM plus.
OEM plus.
Because I got the aftermarket like huh? He's on the way. Good.
Yeah. So, I mean, it is what it is. It looks better. I think it looks way better. It feels better. It's like, it feels like I bought a different car when I got it back. Huh?
I had the whole livery on here, but he specifically was like, hey, if you buy this head, take this spit off. This is good with like a design.
They're like $20, bro.
I'm like, I'm fucking wasting my money. I'm like,
Hey, somebody said I support him. I just go, I don't support your shit, dude.
I had to message somebody. I'm like, why is everyone getting rid of this? And they sent me the whole thing. I'm like, what's good?
Yeah, it's been.
All right, we're over here at Babe's at the car meet. Got some B-roll earlier of some of the cars here. Joliet. Over here we got the registration booth. Got Alana running it right now. Got 35 people signed up so far. We got a People's Choice Award, Best Chopper Award, and a Best in Show Award. Then over here, got some t-shirts, some Anytime shirts, and some Sam Cooper shirts here, run by Mr. Omar here.
What a cute little camera. What is that, a GoPro?
It's a DJI.
What?
If anyone does want shirts, teamanytime.us is the website to get them off of.
Sorry, that's probably mine. Yeah, I think it's
What up, guys? Get your cartoon by him. My shit works. How is this? Pretty good. What sensor is this?
For Sam, and this year has been awesome with the weather. A lot of you came last year and got completely rained out, but still stuck out. It's awesome, but thank you all, and I appreciate you all, and I know Sam's family appreciates you guys greatly, and yeah. So, with that being said, his family's over here. They're by the van if you want to say hi to them, and they'll talk to you, and they're very, 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 very nice people. Yeah. So, we have awards. And Stevie was telling me to talk close to the thing, so, Travis is going to do the awards announcement. So here he is.
Alright, I get the honor of the best in show. I am hitting the crowd. Alright, so I get the honor of giving out the Best in Show award to one of the hottest cars here, and I think everybody would agree. And this car and this award is given to Stevie. How long did it take?
Too hot in here. Gotta take my clothes off. Just kidding. Hey, thanks everybody for coming out. Joe actually puts a lot of effort into this. Probably doesn't seem like it, but stresses out about it for weeks on end, even when there's nothing to worry about. But yeah. And then obviously, thanks for Sam. A lot of people here all know Sam, and not everybody knows each other.
Give it back. Another S15.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks Sam for everything.
Alright. So, the next award goes to the People's Choice. So you guys pick this guy. So, it's a number, Alex Ham. That's the number. Alex. It's the 300th.
Just talking to us. Hey guys, thank you.
What?
Thank you.
What car? What color is the car?
I'm colorblind. I get purple and blue.
You get a bucket.
Thank you guys. Yeah, it's good to see old faces, new faces. Joe does a great job at the show, and it's my favorite every year. People here are the best. Yeah, thank you guys.
You get a bucket. Alright, and then the last award is for the best chopper. I think everybody can agree that this chopper definitely is the coolest thing to ever come around. It's to Adam Meltron. Over there, it's the brown bike over there, Sam's old bike, so shout out Adam.
Guys, you're more than welcome to stay as long as you want, and support babes. They're awesome, and the buckets were from the O'Reilly's down here on the Jefferson Street, so they're great. Yeah, thank you guys again for coming out, and can't wait to see you guys next year.
Alright, so just got back from the meet. Just finished up the video and gonna get back to the puppy. Yeah, this is gonna end off the video. You can hear Kyoto screaming. And excited puppy. Oh my goodness.
Hi, Kyoto!
This is
Hi,
Kyoto.
Kyoto! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Hello!
Yep, they'll leave it out for this one.
Hello.
So catch you in the next one. See ya.